Here at A Time to Treasure Travel, one of our favorite perks of staying at a Walt Disney World Resort is Disney's Magical Express. When you take advantage of this service from Orlando International Airport, you can skip baggage claim and let Disney pick up your luggage and deliver it directly to your hotel room. This means you can get started enjoying your vacation that much faster. It all begins when you receive this little envelope. Inside, you'll find a letter with a few instructions for Disney's Magical Express, as well as a few bright yellow luggage tags. By the time you receive this envelope, you may have already gotten your magic bands with another set of luggage tags in the box. They're adorable, but these are not your luggage delivery tags. These are souvenirs. If this is all you've attached to your checked luggage, those bags are not going to make it to your hotel room. Let's go back to the envelope. These yellow luggage tags are what's important. They'll have your arrival date, names, and resort printed on them. These tags are how Disney knows to snag your bags at the airport and deliver them to your resort hotel. You'll attach these to your luggage before checking it at your home airport. But please be sure to keep your magic bands in your carry-on. You've checked your bags in with your yellow luggage tags, and you've arrived in Orlando. What's next? Depending on what airline you've used, you will land in either the A or B terminal at Orlando International. Regardless of which side you've landed on, the first thing you're going to do is ride the tram back to the main terminal. Once there, make your way toward the food court in the center of both terminals. To find Disney's Magical Express, you'll need to go to side B and take the escalator down to level 1. If you use those yellow luggage tags, remember, you can bypass baggage claim. If you get lost, just check the signs and follow the mouse. As you approach the check-in desk, have your magic bands ready. This is why you didn't pack them in your luggage. The cast member at the desk will scan your magic band and direct you toward a numbered line where you'll wait for the motor coach to your resort. Most resorts do share buses, so expect it to take about an hour to arrive. It's a good idea to hit the restroom and pick up a snack for little ones before you leave the airport. There are TVs on board with Disney cartoons playing, so there's no need to worry about staying entertained on the motor coach. Before you know it, you'll be passing under this much anticipated sign, and it will be time for the magical memories to begin.